Times when I'm thinking about us before we got lost and we parted. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we...
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a nighttime cleaning routine or an after dark clean with me, whatever you want to call it. That is what this video is going to be. I haven't filmed one of these types of videos in a little while, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. Before I jump into today's video, I did want to mention that it is in collaboration with another YouTube mom friend of mine. I'm actually going to do things a little bit differently, and I'm going to let her introduce herself, so I'm going to insert that clip right here.
Hi everyone, my name is Maritza and I'm a stay-at-home mom to a 22-month-old baby boy that loves to make this mess here in the house. So I would love to have you guys come over for some extra motivation and clean with me. In my channel, you will find a lot of cleaning videos, day in the lives, shop with me videos, home decor videos, and even fashion videos. So after watching Whitney's video, please head over to my channel and please consider subscribing. I would love to have you guys.
She is so close to 4,500 subscribers, you guys, so go leave her some love. I will leave all of her links in the description box below. So I am going to be starting this video right after dinner time, so it's not completely dark outside yet. So I'm just going to quickly pick everything up off of the countertops, put dinner away, clean the counters, do the dishes, all of the good kitchen stuff. I don't want to talk a whole lot in this video so that you guys can just listen to music and use this for some cleaning motivation as well.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change.
So really quickly, I am going to be cleaning my sink or disinfecting my sink. I like to use a little bit of vinegar water and some lemon essential oil. I spray it down in there and I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I will go in and scrub with some dish soap, and it just keeps my sink smelling so good and so fresh. You guys also may notice, if you're an oldie, that we did change the backsplash in here. I don't know if you guys noticed or not. I love the way it looks in here. I feel like it really brightens up our kitchen, and it just goes so much better with our farmhouse decor styled home, and I'm just living for it.
Be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but
Now, I did learn this little hack from a YouTube mama. Her name is Mary. You wrap a napkin or paper towel around a butter knife to get in between where the stove and the counter meet. And oh my gosh, this has saved my life and I'm obsessed with it. The last thing that I'm going to do in the kitchen is run the vacuum so that the floors are nice and clean.
We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around, I try to stay on the low. But it grows, that crazy feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel.
Moving into our bedroom, I don't know what happened. There is stuff everywhere. I told my husband, because he was getting ready to go clean the upstairs, I said, hold on a minute, I am filming a cleaning video, I will do it, because it was that bad. He was like, what are you doing? Are you gonna clean in here or what? So I'm just gonna quickly pick everything up off the floors. I had some clothes that needed to get put away. I'm also going to be wiping down all of the wood surfaces in here and then giving this room a vacuum.
It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. The harder we fight, we go deeper. It's only a part, we are weaker, so what are we waiting for? I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in. I'm like a moth to a flame, I should've known better, but you're pulling me in, pulling me in. There's something in those hazel eyes, there's something that I cannot fight. I try to keep you away, but somehow, baby, you're still pulling me in, pulling me in.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. discovered was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes.
And then I'm gonna jump into our master bathroom. I just really wanted to clean off our vanity really quickly, so you're just gonna see me do that and then take a Clorox wipe and wipe it all down.
You know, yeah, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down.
Moving back downstairs, I am gonna quickly clean the playroom. I usually have my 3-year-old son clean up the toys, but he was actually running a fever this night, and so all of this mess was from my 1-year-old daughter. So I went ahead and cleaned it up, so you're just gonna see me doing that.
When I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No, no. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my
I also wanted to tell you guys, you might see that I have a little desk area in here now, and that is because I am teaching for VIP Kid, and I am so excited about it, and I love it. And so that is why I have this little office space going on.
let me show.
Now I'm just gonna fold this little load of laundry that I had sitting aside all day this day, and it just really needed to get done.
Into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
The last thing that I'm gonna do in this video is straighten up the living room. There was just blankets and like random stuff all over the place, so I am just gonna quickly clean up in here. I know I always say that. I'm gonna quickly clean up in here and then run the vacuum cleaner along the couch and along the carpet.
Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit
guys, that is going to be it for this nighttime after dark clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some stuff done around your home. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you trying to find? I hope